Hello guys. So in the previous class, we started the basics of set. We actually understood the concepts, the basic concepts of set theory, and what are different types of sets: subset, universal set, proper set, superset, power set, all of that. And we also solved a few questions based on those concepts. Now we will see the actual application of all that into questions. Okay, and those will be questions which are based on something called as Venn diagrams. Okay, so what are basically Venn diagrams, guys? Venn diagrams are the diagrammatic representations of sets. Okay, so the very first kind of Venn diagrams we are going to see now. Okay, they are going to be level 2 Venn diagrams, and we'll solve also some questions based on them. So let's take for example the set A. Okay, given in a circle. Okay, it consists of the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, the cardinality or number of elements is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I have a set B, which is the set of first 10 prime numbers. Again, cardinality is basically 10. So 10 elements are there: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will take their combination. Okay, I'll combine them into one particular set. Okay, and I'll basically call that A union B. I'll tell you in some time. Okay, so if you observe carefully, guys, between these two sets, okay, the elements 2, 3, 5, and 7 are common, right? I can show, you can see it here being highlighted on your screens: 2, 3, 5, and 7 right now. So what we will do is, okay, when we combine these two sets, हम लोग 2 और 3 को separately नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay, we fuse the circles together, and the common region in between them, okay, there we write 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so this region is basically A intersection B. Okay, and as you observe, there are 4 elements in A intersection B. All right, and now if you talk about set A, the remaining elements can be placed outside this intersection point or the intersection region: 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and the set B here, okay, also in that particular set, the remaining elements can be copied in the remaining region, right? That is B here. Okay, so this is nothing but A union B. All right, A union B is nothing but A and B combined together. Okay, so A union B का एक और diagrammatic meaning ये हो सकता है कि it is the elements which are present either in A or in B. All right. Now, if you observe carefully, guys, जब हम count करते हैं between like A and B, okay, A had 10 elements, B had 10 elements, and A union B has 16 elements, right? Why? Because क्या हुआ, guys? Whatever was common between them, okay, instead of writing 2, 3, 5, 7 दो बार, आपने क्या किया? आपने 2, 3, 5, 7 को एक साथ ले लिया, okay, in the region which is common to both of them, right? So what you did basically was you did 16, or you got 16 as 10, okay, which is the number of elements in the set A, right? Okay, so this 10, okay, and this 10, इनमें से आपने क्या किया? एक 4 subtract कर दिया. Why? The number of elements, okay, in A union B, okay, 16 is nothing but 10 plus 10 minus the 4 which is common to both of them, right? एक बार आपने subtract कर दिया 4 को. Okay, so this you can remember it symbolically or as a rule, as a formula also, that number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay, although I never recommend that you memorize these formula, but sometimes this will help. हम लोग आगे जाके देखेंगे in permutation combinations probably, या फिर in probability also, right? तो वहाँ ये थोड़ा help कर जाता है. Okay. Okay, guys. So when we go further, next thing to understand is A slash B here. Okay, हमने last class में देखा है इसका मतलब. In the last class we saw A slash B क्या होता है. So elements which are there in A but not there in B, right? So basically what you'll be doing is you'll be taking the set A, पूरा set A, उसमें से you remove the common part जो कि B में भी है, right? So the remaining part is A slash B. This part here denotes A slash B, which is consisting of elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Similarly, guys, B slash A अब क्या हो जाएगा? B slash A is this region, right? Elements which are there in B but not there in A, this crescent part of the moon here. Okay, ये नहीं आएगा. Probably दिखा दो जरा मैं. This one, yeah. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay, this consists of the set A slash B slash A. Okay.